Hello friends, in this video we learn 8-pin glass relay working and connection. In working we learn very easily how glass relay works and how glass relay NO and NC works, and in connection we learn very easily how glass relay operate, how to provide holding in glass relay, and how to operate other devices with glass relay practically. In this video we'll learn all concepts of glass relay very easily. If you are beginner in electrical field, then this video is most important for you. So let's start and first understand glass relay working. So first you can see glass relay base. You can see glass relay base and some points is given in the glass relay. First understand what is the mean of that points. So you can see some instruction on glass relay top. You can see here. So we make diagram for that. 2 and 7 is a coil of glass relay. If your glass relay of 220 volt, then you need to give 220 volt to the glass relay coil. You can see that 220 volt to coil 2 and 7 for operate glass relay. If your glass relay of 24 volt or 12 volt, then you need to provide 12 volt or 24 volt to 2 and 7 to operate glass relay. So 2 and 7 is a simple coil of glass relay. You can see here, and 1 is a common point. Okay, 1 is a common point. 1 and 4 is a NC. That means when glass relay is in stop position, then one supply goes to the 4 point, because 1 and 4 is in NC position and 1 and 3 is in NO position. That means when glass relay operate, then one supply goes to the 3 terminal. And also we have one more common point in 8-pin glass relay. That means we also known as 2CO relay. That means in this relay we have two common, 2 NO and 2 NC point. 8 is a common, and 8 to 5, you can see here 8 to 5 is a NC. That means when glass relay is in stop positions, then 8 supply goes to the 5, and 8 and 6 is a NO. When glass relay is in stop positions, then 8 supply goes to the 6 number. When glass relay in start positions, then 8 supply goes to the 6 number point. It is a simple working of glass relay. Now we'll learn a practically connection of 8-pin glass relay. We'll first understand how to operate glass relay. Then we learn how to hold a glass relay. After that holding, we operate two contactor with glass relay. When glass relay in start positions, then this contactor should operate, and when glass relay is in stop position, then this relay should operate. The stop positions this contactor operate, start positions this contactor operate with relay. So how to control this connection, let's understand. As we know, to operate 220 volt glass relay, you can see that our contact relay is 220 volt AC. So need to provide 220 volt supply to 2 and 7, and also our contactor is a 220 volt. So need to provide phase N neutral to the contactor coil. You can see that 220 volt, so phase N neutral provide to the contactor. So first we provide neutral directly to the glass relay and contactor. After that we learn how to hold and how to proper connection. Now you can see that we provide neutral directly to the both contactor and glass relay 7 number point directly. Now we learn how to operate glass relay and how to hold. After that, how to operate this contactor with glass relay. For relay start stop, we use two push button. So we connect a phase wire to the control MCB and first connect to the stop push button NC element. Our phase comes here, stop push button. After that we connect to one connector to the stop push button NC terminal, then goes to the start push button NO element. So we connect one connector to the start push button NO element. When we press this start push button, our glass relay will operate, but only for when we press push button. Now we connect one connector to the output of start push button. Okay. When we press this push button, our relay operate manually. Okay, when we press push button, our relay will operate manually. So now let's operate how it works first. After that we provide holding, and that after we connect contactor with glass relay. Now we start control MCB. When we press push button, our relay operate manually. You can see that press start manually. Okay, manually. You can see that when we press push button, our relay operate, but only when we press push button. If we stop pressing, then relay stop. Okay. For operating permanently, when you operate single time push button, you need to provide holding supply. So we provide holding as always is provide with contactor. So we take one wire from contactor coil and takes to the NO terminal, or you can say that common terminal. Okay, coil to common one looping and takes holding supply which comes from NC output or NO input. So we take NO input and goes to the contactor NO terminal. Okay, when contactor operate, then contactor operate, NO makes NC, and supply comes here and goes to the contactor coil. Then our contactor will operate permanently. This is a simple concept of holding. So same connection should be done in glass relay. So first we take one looping from coil to common. We take 2 to 1. You can say that coil to common. We take one looping from common to so we connect one connector to the coil and goes to the common point. You can use any of the point for taking holding supply. Okay, we use 1 number point for holding connection or taking connector. So connect to the 1 number point. Okay, connection should be full tight, nothing will be loose. If you have any loose connection, then your components will be burned after due to loose connection. So connection should be tight. Now we provide holding supply. You can take from NC output or NO input. So we connect to one connector from NO input side for holding connection because supply continuous comes here. So we connect one connector for holding supply to NO input and goes to the glass relay NO point, which is 1 to 3 NO terminal. That means when glass relay operate, 3 supply comes to the 1 number and this then goes to the contactor or relay coil. So our relay will operate. So we connect to the 3 number point of glass relay, which is NO with 1 number point. Now we connect a holding supply to 3 number point. Now we check how it works. Okay, first control MC will start. When we start our push button, relay operate permanently. You can see that relay operate permanently. Stop, start, stop, start, stop, start. Now our relay operate permanently because we provide holding supply to the glass relay. You can see that. Now we understand how to operate dash to contactor with glass relay. Now we connect one external wire to provide operate contactor. Okay, when relay is in stop position, then this contactor operate, then relay is in start position, then this contactor should operate. So for this contactor operation, we used relay difference second number common point, which is 8 number point for operating other devices with relay. So we use 8 number point with glass relay. Then after we learn how these components will operate. You can also take supply from coil, but for better performance we use external wire. You can also take from one looping to the 8 number common point. Now first understand relay operation. Okay, 8 to 5 is a NC. That means when relay is in stop position, then 8 supply goes to the 5. Okay, because 8 and 5 is a NC. So relay stop, then supply goes to the 8 to the 5. So this contactor operate when relay is in stop position. So we take one supply from 5 number point and goes to the relay contactor coil, and when relay is operate, then 8 to the supply goes to the 6 because 8 and 6 is a NO. So when relay operate, then operate this contactor. So we take one connector from 6 number point and operate this contactor coil because neutral gives directly. Now we take one connector from relay 5 number point, which is NC with 8. So we connect this connector to this contactor coil because when relay is in stop position, then this contactor should operate. So connect a 5 number points connector to the contactor coil because phase comes through relay and neutral connected directly. Okay. Now we take one more connector from relay 6 number point. You can see that. And goes to the this contactor because when relay operate, then supply comes to the 6 number and operate this contactor. Very simple connection, just you need to and learn working of relay. If you work known as relay NO and NC terminals, then you can connect very easily of any of the device when relay start positions or stop positions. Okay, our connection is done. Now let's see how it works. Now we'll start control MCB. When we start control MCB, relay is in a stop position because we don't press push button. Okay, relay is in a stop positions, then this contactor should operate. Okay, and when we press push button, then this contactor should stop and this contactor should operate. Okay, when we start control MCB, relay is in a stop position and this contactor should operate. Okay, you can see that this contactor operate. When we start glass relay, this is stop and this is start. Okay, when relay is in stop position, this contactor will start. The start position, you can see that this contactor will start. So by using this connection, you can use any of the device with control with any of the device with glass relay. I hope you learn how glass relay works, how to provide holding and how to operate other device with glass relay. Hope you like that video. If you have any queries, please ask in comments box. For today's enough. We'll meet next video. Thanks for watching.